start. Hi everyone. So ఈ వీడియోలో మనం కాంచీపురం ఫ్యాన్సీ పట్టు శారీస్ చూద్దాం. సో ద ప్రైస్ రేంజ్ ఇస్ 1950. సో బిఫోర్ వీడియోస్లో కూడా వీ హ్యావ్ సీన్ లాట్ ఆఫ్ కలెక్షన్స్ అండ్ దిస్ ఇస్ శారీ నెంబర్ 1 which we are seeing. So this saree in the previous video it has been a very huge hit. So we have restocked and we have put it in the new collection. So in this video there are total 15 sarees in this catalog. This is saree number 1, yellow with nice emerald green border. So this is how it looks. Okay, full yellow border yellow body you'll be getting for the whole saree, and this is the border you'll be getting for the saree. Okay, these are all very lightweight and very easy to carry pattu fancy sarees. So this is how it looks, and these are also very easy to drape for Dasra, Diwali, anything for small functions you can wear these sarees. So this is how it looks. So you can see nice silver weaving, this nice emerald green color, big border on one side, this is on another side. Okay, this is how it looks. So this is like the full look of the saree. It's like very grand. Okay, this is how it looks. Pallu atside unda blouse kanana. So this is the blouse. Blouse also you'll be getting it in the shiny pattern. So shiny pattern, yeah. So this is how it looks. So this is the blouse you'll be getting. So this is the border for the blouse. On one plate it looks like this. So if you, this is the pallu. This is the pallu in gold and silver mix zari you'll be getting, and this is the blouse. This is the body of the blouse, and this is the border for the blouse. So you'll be getting like this. So this is the blouse body, and this is the border for the blouse. Okay, the price is just at 1950 only. This is how it looks. This is the first saree, yellow with emerald green color border, saree number 1. The price is 1950. So this is saree number 2. It's in the beautiful lavender shade. See, it's a very beautiful color, lavender with the lotus print you'll be getting here. Lotus print all over with the stripes. So this is in the high range pattu sarees you'll be getting in this pattern. In the same pattern we have got it in the fancy pattu also. So this is how it looks. So this is the lavender violet shade for the body of the saree. On the other side also you'll be getting the border. So it's a very beautiful and a new shade. See how beautiful it is. So this is how it looks. Nice lavender color purple border you'll be getting for the saree. Okay, so on one side you'll be getting a big border in the maroon color. So this is how it looks. It's very soft and very easy to carry also. It doesn't have temper, it doesn't come up also. So nice lavender with nice maroon color border. So this is the border you'll be getting. So this is the border you'll be getting. So this is how it looks. Nice lavender shade with the maroon color border. Okay, this is how it looks. So this is the pallu. Pallu you'll be getting like this, and this is the blouse. Blouse, body of the blouse you'll be getting it in the jewel color, and this is the border for the blouse. So this is how it looks. Patko patko. So onion color you'll be getting. So this is the body for the blouse, and this is the border. It looks like absolutely beautiful. So this is in the lavender shade in the lotus design with the maroon color border. Okay, the price is 1950. This is how it looks. This is saree number 2. Next, saree number 3 in the maroon color shade with this beautiful this design. I'm not sure, but it looks very beautiful to see only. So this is how it looks. So this is the border, and this is the body of the saree in pinkish red shade you'll be having. Blouse it side ఉంటుంది చూడు. So this particular saree is like very beautiful. This is in the pinkish red shade. So border already I have shown, right? So these are all very easy to carry and very easy to drape also. Okay, so this is how it looks. So blouse you will be getting it in the contrast color combination in the blue color. Then a bit. So this is how it looks. Very beautiful blouse. So this is the blouse design. Nice purple color with the border. So the saree is in the pink color. So this is how it looks. It's a very beautiful one in the dark brown, reddish pink with the dark brown border you will be getting. And this is the pallu. Pallu also you got it in the violet shade like the blouse. So this is how it looks. Violet, reddish pink with the brown color border. Okay, this is how it looks. The price is 1950. These all you can drape it nicely. It comes with very small frills also because it's very easy to carry as well. The price is 1950 for this beautiful one. Next. Okay. So this is also one of the best seller in the last video. So this is in the light green with the violet color border. So this is how it looks. So you can have a closer look. For the flowers you will be having the flowers here and the green color for the body. So this is in the parrot radium green with the blue color. So this is like in the light royal blue color. So this is how it looks. A very beautiful color. In the last video it is one of our best seller as well. So this is the jacquard weaving blouse you will be getting in the dual tone shade in the shades of green and blue. Okay, this is how it looks. So this is the blouse for this. So you can nicely put the steps also, small steps. So this is how it looks. Very beautiful and subtle and a beautiful color combination as well. So this is light green or radium green with the blue color combination. So this is the pallu. Pallu you will get a short pallu with the designer designs here. So this is in the green with the blue color combination. The price is 1950. Next is in the peach pink with the violet border. Sorry. So this is in the peach pink, candy peach pink with the violet color border. So this is also a very beautiful design with the silver engraving here. This is the floral design and this is the mango design you will be getting. So this also a beautiful peach pink color with the violet color border. So borders, when I am showing opening the saree itself, I am giving a closer look for every saree. So it will be easy for you to see there itself. So instead of me moving back and forth. So okay, this is in the peach pink with the violet color combination. On two sides of the saree you will be having the violet color border with the silver weavings. Blouse. So okay, so this is how it is. Blouse blouse is also in the jacquard weaving blouse you will be getting in the dual tone. This is the border for the blouse and this is the body of the blouse. So this is the blouse. So back nunchi pettachemo ee saree at side unnavi. So patka. Good. So this is the blouse and this is the saree. Okay, this is how it looks. The price is 1950. This is peach pink with the violet color combination. So this is the pallu. Pallu is also, they have given it in the mango design. So this is how it looks. Very beautiful peach pink with the violet color border. So the next one is like a very royal design. You'll be having a very big border. Very big border you will be getting. So people who like big border sarees, so you can have a closer look of the border. So this is the big border you will be getting for the saree and this is the body design for the saree. Big flower design you will be getting for the body design. This is nice pattu green color with bottle green color border you will be getting. See how rich and very royal saree it is. So very big border. You can use it for the sarees or you can also use it to stitch lehengas or gowns, who likes like big border. So this is the blouse. Blouse also in golden weaving they have given. Patko. So this is the patko. So this is the body design for the blouse you will be getting in the golden and the green design. Blouse border first petase normal. So this is the sari and this is the blouse. So this is in completely in green and golden shade weaving. So for the blouse also you have got a big border. So this full big border you can get it for the hands, or you can stitch with the 3/4 sleeves also. That pattu border comes along with the 3/4 sleeve also. So this is how it looks. Very nice and beautiful one. You can either use it for long frocks or you can use it for the lehengas also, or you can wear it on the single pleat also because it has a full body design. So this is how it looks. Okay. So this is the pallu. Pallu also full rich they have given. Time chudu.
11:25.
11:25. So this is the full zari weaving in the golden shade, and also big pallu you have got compared to the other sarees. So this is how it looks. The price is just for 1950. Next. Next is in the white and red color combination. This also we have restocked. This is from the old video only. In the red color border for the white, cream color, half white, pearl white saree. With the design will be in this zigzag flower design. Next code ready chesi. Next code ready chesi. So this is in the pearl white or half white color, like pelli kuturu color saree. The bride will wear this color saree, and this is the blouse for this. Blouse you will be getting it in the tinge of silver and the red color pattern. So okay, this is how it looks. Saree with the blouse this is, and so this is how it looks. Pearl white or half white bridal color combination saree. This is bridal color combination saree with the red color border. So this is the pallu. So this is the pallu you will be getting. The price is just for 1950. Next is a very beautiful violet color, dual tone violet color. You can see the dual tone here. Dual tone violet color. This is in the mango design. You can see the design is in the mango with nice beautiful contrast green color border. This vankai color.
Violet.
This is in the violet and the green color combination. Violet, nice, very pretty dual tone color. See how beautiful it is. Very, very beautiful. Given in the contrast green color border. So I have given a close up for the design as well. So this is all a very pretty and a new color combination. You can see violet with the green color combination. So this is how it looks. Violet, nice dual tone violet with the green color combination. You can either put the steps or you can blouse to blouse. You can put the steps or you can put it on single pleat also. We'll see the blouse for this. Blouse also you will get it in the madu saganki marchu ante parvaledu ante blouse body kanpadali ala cross ga bet. So this is also dual tone blouse you will be getting with the green color border. So this is how it looks, saree with the blouse. You can happily wear it on single pleat as well because it is dual tone one and it has all body zari weaving and it looks very beautiful also. Okay, this is how it looks, violet with the green color border. So this is the pallu. Pallu is also in the mango design. So violet with green color border, dual tone one. The price is just for 1950. These are all very lightweight also. So when I'm showing the video itself, you will be able to understand. These are very, very lightweight and easy to carry also. So this is also one of our bestseller, and we have restocked it. It is in the pink and the yellow color combination. So This is the design, body design and the border design I have shown. So this also we have only 2 pieces left here. Blouse upside down sugar. So this is in the baby pink and the yellow color combination. This has been a huge hit and we have restocked a many number of pieces also for this. We have taken pre-bookings also for this. Now only 2 pieces are left in this design. So the blouse, it comes in the contrast yellow color with the silver zari weaving. So this is the blouse you will be getting. So this is how it looks. The shine and everything what you are seeing in the video, you will be getting the same shine for the saree as well. So this is how it looks, baby pink with the yellow color combination. You will be having a nice big border for this saree. Okay, this is how it looks. Nice yellow with the pink color combination. It's a very beautiful piece, and this is the pallu. It comes with full silver zari weaving, and this is the pallu. You'll be having a short pallu. I'm showing you on the back side also. The back side also threads doesn't come out. This is the back side. Okay, this is how it looks. The price is 1950. So this is one of my favorite. It's a very beautiful one. Navy blue with the golden tinge with the maroon color border. So this is the border. You can see the border is in the maroon color shade with the golden border, and this is the body of the saree in the dark navy blue. So this is how it looks. Okay. It's a very beautiful piece it is, and it looks absolutely grand also. See. So this is how it looks. Nice big border you'll be getting. This is how it looks. Absolutely Kanchipuram, original Kanchipuram style saree. So this is how it looks. A very beautiful piece. Navy blue with the maroon color border with pattu equivalent borders. Blouse you'll be getting it in the self design in the pattu style. So this is the blouse. Patko. Sukumar. See? Shoulder. So this is the blouse design in the chakras you will be getting, and this is the border for the blouse. This is the saree with the blouse you will be getting like this. So this is how it looks. The price is just for 1950. This is absolutely a very rich saree. So this is how it looks. So for me it is one of my favorite as well, so because it looks very good. So this is the pallu. You will be getting a short pallu. Okay. The price of this is 1950. Next is a very beautiful lemon yellow with the light pink color shade with full silver zari weaving. So this is how it looks. So this is the pink color border. So this is the border design, and this is the body design. So you can see nice shining you will have for the saree. So on the flower design you will be having silver zari weaving. So this is how it looks. Okay, nice lemon yellow color with the pink, lemon yellow with the pink color border. It's absolutely very good and very beautiful. The same kind we have got in lemon yellow with the green color in the first live. So this is how it looks. It is nothing less than a normal Kanchipuram saree. So you can see the fabric is also very soft, and it sits on the body. It doesn't come up like this one. We have a very good reviews for this sarees also. So this is the blouse. Blouse also you'll get it in the pink color, same contrast pink color with silver weaving. The blouse. So that is the blouse pattern, and this is the border for the blouse you'll be getting. So what let's see. So this is in the lemon yellow with the pink color combination. A very beautiful piece. This is in the pink color short pallu you'll be getting. Okay. This is a very absolutely very beautiful piece. You don't miss this if you like it. So this is lemon yellow with the pink color combination, priced at 1950 only. So this is again in the violet and the pink color combination. This is purple pink. Okay, 19 minutes. This is in the purple pink color combination. This also we have shown in the old video, and we have restocked it again now. So this is a beautiful design, circular flower design, and this is the border for the saree. This is purple pink color combination. So this is also, it has a very good shine. This is purple pink. So in the same kind of sarees you can see in the shopping malls as well, where you buy the pattu sarees and one. This will not less than 3,000 with the same quality you will get. If you go for shopping next time, you can just have a look in any of the places. I don't want to just mention the names. So absolutely you will get it at a very good quality. This is in the purple pink color combination. So this is the blouse. So the blouse also you will get it very rich. So this is the blouse for this saree, for this purple pink color combination saree. This is the blouse and this is the saree. Blouse. So that is the blouse. You will be getting it for the full zari weaving border. So that is a big border for the blouse you will be getting. So this is the saree. So this is in the purple pink color combination. I have shown the design on the body of the saree as well. So this is a very beautiful purple pink color combination. Purple pink and the blue color combination. So this is the pallu. Pallu also you have got it in the nice design. So the price is just 1950. So this is also one of the saree in our old videos. So this is in the green with the pink color combination. So this is also one of the best selling one and a very beautiful piece. So this is in the little green color. The border of the saree is like very beautiful one. This is the border of the saree. So little different with the gold and silver finishing. So this is the blouse for this. Blouse you will be getting it in the nice pink color with self zari thread weaving you will be getting. So the blouse is also very beautiful. So this is how it looks. Laurel green, laurel green with the pink color combination. So this is how it looks. Laurel green with pink color combination with the blouse and the silver weaving. That is the blouse design with the border. So this is the saree how it looks. The price is just for 1950. Next. So this is a new color combination in the black tints, dark black and grey, or dark grey color, not black really. Dark blackish grey with the green color border. So this is completely a new color combination. So this is the design of the saree and this is the border. Blouse. Okay. So this is completely a new color combination. Whoever wants to try a new color combination, this is in the dark blackish grey color with the green color combination. It's absolutely a fancy one and a new color combination as well, if at all you wanted to try a new color combination. And this is the blouse in the green color, in the contrast color combination, they say. So that's the blouse design, and this is the border design. So this is a new color combination, whoever wants to try. This is in the blackish grey with the green color combination. So it goes very well with the white stone jewelry or the pearl jewelry. So just if you want to pick a different one apart from the regular ones, you can pick this saree. This is greyish grey and silver color combination with the green. Okay, the price is 1950, and this is the pallu. The pallu is also in the green color combination. The price is 1950. Next. So this is a single piece which I am showing. It is in the dust green with the golden yellow color combination. So this is a single piece we are having. 24. Okay. So this is the body of the saree. You'll be having full flower weaving on the body of the saree. So this is the nice big borders you'll be getting for the saree in the lemon yellow shade. And this color combination we have previously also. So this is the blouse. Blouse is also in the gold color combination. So this is how it looks. Okay, this is how it looks. Blouse. So that is the blouse design or the pattern on the blouse, and the big border for the hands. You can get it for the elbows. So this is how it looks. Nice dust green with the golden yellow color combination. It's a very beautiful piece. It's a very beautiful piece. Dust green with, you'll be having the full silver, full flower weaving on the body of the sari, and the border you'll be having this full zari weaving. So this is how it looks. Next. So this is the last but not the least rare color combination. Green and pink we haven't got in this last 2-3 catalogs. So this one in the green and pink color combination. A bell flower design. Nice pattu green with the pink color combination. So it's a very beautiful piece in the green and pink. Blouse attached. So very beautiful one in the green and pink color combination. You can see, and the border is also very good. Green and pink is the kind of rare color in like kanchi pattu sarees. We'll get a different green, but this is a different green. This is leaf green. So this is absolutely how it looks. So this is the blouse and this is the sari. So this is how it looks. Absolutely a very beautiful and elegant color combination. So this is the blouse pattern and this is the border for the blouse. So this is the last sari of this video. So this is how it looks. So it goes very good with the golden jewelry. So this is the border for the sari, and the body of the sari you can see the flower pattern. So this is how it looks. So with this we are like ending this catalog. We have seen almost like 15 colors. Whoever wants to book, they can just take a screenshot and they can message us. So yes, thank you so much and happy shopping.